Woohoo! This is an absolute beast. RC added. I found a field in the end. I'm sunburnt, I've walked miles, I'm not looking forward to the walk back. But this, seriously, these RLINE batteries, right, with these props, I'll tell you what they are. They're the Dow 5045C Pros, yeah, the version 2s, and they're big, and they're awesome. And this RLINE 1550 pack, my God, seriously, it's got some punch, you know. And I didn't get a warning on my, because I've got it on the logic. I've got, if RX battery is less than 21.8, I think, something like that, then haptic. Okay, so basically it didn't do it once, you know what I mean? It was like, wow, and then I landed in the wrong field. What? That's what you get for flying in an area you don't know. But sod it, I've had a brilliant day and I've been out for hours, so banging.
Tell me
landed in the wrong field. What? And that's what you get for flying in an area you don't know. But sod it, I've had a brilliant day and I've been out for hours, so banging.